Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Rally Red Civic Sport. Now of course this is a 1.5 litre turbo and you do get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and of course LED fog lights. You get 4 front parking sensors as standard as well. And you do also get these brilliant 17-inch piano black alloy wheels as standard as well, of which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of design pattern and condition. But moving around to the rear, the best way to tell that this is a Civic Sport is by the 2 rear exhaust pipes just there. You've then got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top. Coming into the tailgate now, as you can see, we have got plenty of room in here. We've got 60/40 split folding rear seats that do fold flat with this level just here. You've then got a pull-out privacy shelf which can be disattached and put to one side just to ensure maximum capacity for any belongings in the tailgate. It does marry up with this little visor here just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate itself. Walking round to the side of the car now, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've got full electric windows all around as well, all of which are also automatic. Jumping inside now, as you can see, we've got an electric handbrake with brake hold, got economy mode and stop start on or off just there. We've then got your 6-speed manual gearbox with dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. Within this display, you do have your satellite navigation. You've got your various audio sources just here. And then of course you do have your Bluetooth hands-free, which is just here. As I did mention earlier, you have got a full wide angle camera, which does enable for ease of access when parking your car in a tight situation. We've then got your volume controls, onboard computer controls, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer in the middle. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 48,896 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sport, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.